Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. My name is Ethan Esquivel. Let's get right into it. Alright, here we go. 3 tips to help you rap better. Alright, 3 tips to help you rap better, okay? Hey, tip number 1. Start you off with, imagine yourself as a big rapper. Imagine yourself as a big rapper already, alright? You're rapping on the mic right now. I'm the best rapper alive. People come see me for my shows. They like the experience I give. I'ma cut my hair on stage. I don't got much hair on my head. I'm the best rapper alive. I can go fast, I can go slow. People still wanna hear my music. I have a nice flow. They love it when they see me rhyme. Standing up, looking good, like a gentleman should. Y'all like that one? I like that freestyle right there. I imagine in my head, right now I'm rapping to y'all in my parents' backyard. In my head, 10,000 people in front of me. They want to hear my rhymes. I'm on stage. I look good. Lights are shining on my head. That's what I see in my head. I see people enjoying my raps. People enjoying my show. Alright, second tip on how to help you rap better. Rap somewhere you are comfortable. I don't like to rap in the house. Too many people in the house. I don't like it. I like to rap outside. No one's out here. I'm comfortable. I used to rap in the car. In my car in the back seat. But I like the backyard. It's good. No one's out here. Just me and the music. Alright, here we go now. I got a surprise for y'all real quick. I got a surprise. Okay, y'all hear that real quick, right? Here we go now. Whatever I do, I wanna win. Mexican I am, brown skin, universal I am. Send me to Berlin. Ladies love the energy I give. Make a mistake once, okay. Second time it's hard to forgive. I'm so healthy, I will outlive the human race. Be careful out here. Girls be 15 years old looking 18. Don't catch a case. I love God's grace. Not easy to replace. I ace every test assigned to me. Don't be a disgrace. Never be disrespected. Put her in her place. Sitting outside of Starbucks, writing these rhymes. Sometimes I think about life and my dream. Even if I don't achieve it, which I will have lived extreme. Wu-Tang, get the cream, not focus on the money. More like building a skill. Gonna be a legendary artist. Yes, I will kill my prey. You can be anything you want. Let your mind be free. You're holding yourself back to not offend others. Pull yourself out the gutter. Walk with pride. You only have one life. Ask yourself for advice. You know it's valuable. Pay the price. Just pay the price. You know it's valuable. Just pay the price. That was an awesome freestyle right there in the backyard in nature. All the birds love that one. All the crickets love that beat. They love the freestyle. All the birds are flying around because they love my freestyle. Alright, let me give y'all the last tip before y'all go. Class is not over, not yet. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Sit back down. I know y'all just got done cheering at my nice freestyle. Just sit back down in your chairs before class is over. The bell doesn't dismiss you, I dismiss you. Alright, tip number 3. Let your ego go loose. We all have an ego, right? Hey, be humble, be humble. No, not when it comes to rapping. You let your ego go loose. Hey, I'm the best rapper when it comes to rapping on this mic. My rhymes are so good, your grandma comes back to life. Did I just say that? Yes, I did. My rhymes are amazing. My rhymes will bring you out your seat. They call me a cliffhanger cause I got people wanting to bang her. What did I just say? I don't know. I'm just trying to sound good on this rap, on this beat. I bring the heat. My name is Ethan E. Yes, I'm amazing. I'm better than Weezy, than Kanye. I'm the best rapper alive. I got a big ego. That's okay. It's healthy. Girls wanna be with me. Okay, someday you will be just like me. Let your ego go loose. Those are my 3 tips, guys. Imagine yourself as a big rapper. Rap somewhere you are comfortable. And let your ego go loose. Those are 3 tips to help you rap better. This beat is fire, man. This beat is amazing. Hey, have a good one.